So we specialize in providing technology training for complete digital transformation and use technology to disrupt business and take it to the absolute next level. So I'm a serial entrepreneur and this is my seventh venture where I help owners of even the most complex of businesses to run their business with complete automation from anywhere with just a smartphone. These are my other companies, Delta Exports and Fragrance People. We into manufacturing of fragrance products. We also manufacture the brand name Mangaldeep for ITC. So this is a completely automated production. This is my technology company. Technology never sleeps, and we have clients like Railways, Ministry of Defense, Honda, etc., where we set up servers, data centers, do large scale networks for them. So my mission is in life to, if you look at this picture, you'll find that all the topmost companies are actually headed by Indians or Indians are driving the technology or the management. While 70 to 80% of these big companies are driven by Indians, Indian entrepreneurs are not really recognized elsewhere. So there are no global Indian companies as such, or there are very little of them. So my mission is to actually help Indian entrepreneurs use the technology with the right methods to become global industry leaders and make India proud. So that is my objective in life. That is my goal in life, to help Indian entrepreneurs, because this kind of training is not available anywhere in India. Okay, so my objective is just this, that to help them, use all of this technology. So I have been conducting lots of workshops. I have trained the Rotary. I have trained the National Association of Realtors. I have conducted these workshops at banquets and at hotels. I trained a huge number of people at the Paper Merchant Association, Indian SMEs at Faridabad IM SME organization, All India Transporter Welfare Association. This is India International Center. So I have been conducting these workshops because of my passion, my interest, and a lot of people keep inviting me. And now I've decided to change this passion into a profession and into a business. So earlier I was doing it more like a hobby. So now technology is changing. Of what you could earlier do only with the very big and expensive equipment can be done with very cheap and easily accessible technology. So companies that were established earlier that are not using technology are going out of business, like Kodak or Nokia. And now the main thing is that using the right technology, you still have to make an effort, but you don't need to struggle. Okay. So a lot of business owners, they are trying to find their own solutions on how to get the business, then how to make things work, how to get work done from employees, how to get the orders manufactured or processed, then how to ensure that customer is happy and they get the payment. Okay. So for this, we created a course called Tech Mastery Advanced, where we allow them to build, automated systems using open source technologies, which are either free or they are very minimal or very low cost. Control all aspects of their business and run it with less people, with anywhere from just a smartphone. And we solve the entire technology puzzle for them, entire process and technology puzzle, so they can concentrate on their business and their passion, where they are real experts. So technology, we are the experts. And we not only provide training, our system includes repeatable systems that we can teach anyone and they can teach it within their organization. We have field tested actions that we have actually using those things in our own companies, and we provide templates for everything, and we provide crazy hand holding. Okay, for real and immediate impact. So we have this 5 step methodology: organize yourself, organize data, organize your business, automate processes, and do automation of marketing and sales. So this is an example of technology for accountability. So in this, we help them build a system where the system automatically follows up for the task that they are doing. So people can put in the task on the mobile phone itself, and as you can see that the system will automatically chase them on the WhatsApp, on their email, and make sure that the task gets done, and they get a complete dashboard for this. Similarly, there is a flow management sheet which will track each and every order through its various phases, from order planning to purchase to dispatch to production. And they get a single dashboard where they can see what is the status of various orders and instantly come to know if there is a problem with any one of the orders. Similarly, they get in-depth report for payments, for purchases. So, from anywhere they can run their business no matter where they are. Then we train them on cybersecurity because most of them don't understand cybersecurity. They are like a sitting duck, and people are losing lakhs of rupees, crores of rupees, and we tell them the entire thing. What are the different steps for cybersecurity? There is an in-depth one-day session for this, and we make them ready. Different techniques where they can share their data and still the data is protected. Then what kind of hardware, what kind of software, and we are training them to build their own ERPs and CRMs. So even what equipment we should use on the office, we are doing complete in-depth guidance. Okay. So this is example of Kunal Madan. He was is a very known, well-known advocate, and he saved over 5 lakh rupees. Was able to build his own cloud-based document management system for running his advocacy firm. Then similarly, manual processes always fail. So we have a system whereby we automate the processes, make them completely electronic. People can completely automate the workflow of the business, and even all the notifications, MI, everything is prepared automatically. So you are not working harder, you're working smarter. And all this is applicable to HR, to finance, for almost everything. For everything. So this is one of our students, Lotus Stationery. You know that these are one of the biggest firms is their Lotus and Hunts brand. So now they say that work that was taking earlier 4 hours is getting done in just 15 minutes. This is one of our other of our students, Jasveer Dhanwa, one of the biggest luxury travel companies with over 500 vehicles. So we help them build a fuel filling system that saved them over 80 lakh rupees in fuel fraud. And even we allow systems whereby quotations can be sent instantly just by clicking on a link. They are able to send quotation directly to the WhatsApp inbox of the client. So this is one of our students, Vaibhav Jain, is a financial expert consultant, and he was able to generate 5.6 crores in the very first month itself by sending customized investment proposals to 700 plus clients. So this is the kind of work that they are able to do with our help. So even on automating processes like sending delivery notifications, managing complete cash flow, getting payments for businesses is very critical. So we have automation that automatically follows up with the customer, with the inside team, follow up, sends a weekly report to the boss, so you can see each and every payment status, why we are not getting the payment by person. They can set a target, and it's able to predict what kind of money you will be getting this week or this month with huge in-depth report to completely solve the payment issue. Okay, so this is one of our clients, Ijaz Shamshi from Paramount Home Collections, very old and renowned company. Said they recovered over $2 million using just this technology. So huge number of companies. So we have huge testimonials. This is Jagmohan Singh, the CA, and from 15 employees, has grown over to 200 plus employees and 500 plus customers by using systems. And he's instead of handling just 25 30 customers, he's able to handle 500 plus customers using our automated technologies. So even whether it is production, so complete automation of production, inventory management systems, as you can see, and a huge number of people are using these software like this is Unier Technologies, other solutions. So whether it is payment collection, using the project management systems, inventory management software, so people are saving money left and right. Even we trained the owner MD of Anil Gupta ji of Okaya. They saved 75 lakhs on ERP, and they were able to use the system to fill all the gaps in their existing ERP, and he got trained over 70 plus people from his team on our systems. So huge number of students, huge results. So all these are given on our YouTube channel. So all these I'm just reading out. So companies have got results like growing from 15 crore to 50 crore rupees, and then set up a ERP system in just 3 months without spending a dime. So we help them set up a complete ERP in the cloud. Even companies as big as this is Anmol Biscuits. So this is Anmol Biscuits. So they save lakhs of rupees by using our developed internet for connecting multiple locations. So people are always asking the question which software to choose, but actually software that is available is too complicated for the teams to handle. So we help them develop their own. Like we help them develop their own CRM that runs on a mobile phone through email as well as WhatsApp, and is so easy and simple to operate, has almost zero learning curve. Even developing sales strategy, sales metrics. So what they have to do, how to drive the team, what to see every day, what to see every week.
even convert more business. So how do you generate thousands of inquiries? What are the technology and tools that they can use, okay, to convert, whether it is QR code, whether it is WhatsApp, to do automated capturing and nurturing of leads, okay. So we do the complete guidance and create crazy results. So this is Amanta from Talla Jewelers. Even during the lockdown, this guy generated sales worth crores of rupees by reaching out to customers on WhatsApp automatically. This is another one. This is Akshay Gupta, Asharam and Sons. He generated 17.5 crore rupees using our email automation. Now he said that he's now actually reached 50 crore rupees using email automation. So the numbers and everything is given right here. And we help them in a crazy way by just using these sheets. They're able to build complete online portals. So this is completely unique, nothing like this you would have ever seen, and makes it so simple for them. Things that would take days or weeks for getting done in minutes. Okay, so renowned companies like Jensen's Lights are able to generate huge number of inquiries, and even as far as automation, HR automation is concerned, they can completely automate their HR. So there's a separate module, whether it is recruitment, it's role clarity, it's appraisals. So even schools like this, complete Dolphin school was able to go online within 48 hours of lockdown because of the training that we provided them. So huge number of companies, so they are able to reduce the amount of manpower they require or use the same manpower to do much bigger revenues. So content includes over 100 live sessions, which includes 17 foundation sessions, 26 sessions for Tech Fridays, where we talk to them every alternate Friday and discuss and again consult. Then in Tech Alumni sessions, we bring new technology every 2 months. Then 7 sessions for training their management experts, data management experts, 6 sessions to train the HR. And again, we have 3 to 4 other sessions on various technologies. So these sessions cover complete G Suite cloud technology to make the business more faster, flexible, and more agile, more collaborative. Then data analysis skills to build dashboards so that they can run their business from anywhere and get them as they want. Then for cyber security to ensure that they are not losing the thing that is most valuable, that is data. Then marketing automation, so complete automation of lead generation, lead follow-up at a fraction of the cost of digital marketing and other expensive tools. Complete sales automation, so we help them build their own CRM. So they are saving cost every month, every year, instead of buying any expensive CRMs or ERPs, build a sales strategy and a complete turnaround of the entrepreneur technology blueprints of what apps, how they have to use them, how they have to build meeting rhythms, how they have to build planning and take reviews. So complete technology on that. Then again, management of data. So how to do the data management. So how they can manage the data, what is the best place to store data with complete security and flexibility. Then create your own ERP. So companies are spending lakhs of rupees wasting money creating their own ERP systems is the best solution and immediately implementable and does not need special people to run it. And then again, all the processes for services like delivery, dispatch, help desk, so they can make it up to the MNC level using our process and technologies. Again, all the systems related to different departments like purchase, production, projects, finance, HR, all the different processes that are there, we help them completely automate them. Then again, how to save lakhs of rupees on buying hardware and software using really special softwares and technologies so they can save huge amount of money. And then again, complete administration of the G Suite control panel. Then again, we have these special sessions for training the HR team, 42 plus automations to build a complete HRM system for them. Then these are sessions for training their data management experts. So again, there are almost 6 to 7 sessions on this so that they will be able to build, maintain, and even create new things. Then again, similarly, training for their assistants so that they can make the boss even more productive. And these are again more additional sessions on what kind of networking, what kind of surveillance. So we have miscellaneous sessions throughout the year, what kind of wireless equipment need, so that technologically they are at the edge and they are using the best possible solutions at the least possible cost and that are the most effective. Then again, we do these Tech Alumni sessions, updating them every 2 months on the latest technology like AI, machine learning, and how to actually use it in their business. Okay, and we train not one person, we train almost like 5 people. So there 5 people are allowed to come from every company. Okay, we provide 200 plus videos and tutorials on every imaginable topic. And again, we guarantee that, no one can do the kind of quality, coverage, and support that we are providing in our workshop. It's really unique. You will never find it anywhere else in the world. So the entire content is completely unique. There are 200 plus automations, and we provide extreme support. We have a crazy support team, and you can see these are some of the comments that we receive. So these are some of the comments that we receive. Their services are brilliant, tickets are solved patiently and immediately. So really very good appreciation, and most of the business is coming in through referrals. So this is a snapshot of our automated system to solve these inquiries. So huge number of tickets, and we have weekly hand holding. So every alternate Friday we do the hand holding to make sure that they are implementing all of these technologies. And again, one-to-one consulting sessions are conducted with these companies to make sure that we understand their problems and guide them towards the right technology to solve those issues. Again, we have a 1 year support, and if they face any challenge, our experts come online with them and solve the issue then and there. They also become part of WhatsApp groups, so the dedicated support is provided. So I hope you found this interesting, and these are my contact details right here. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And also, you can check out my website at www.sanjeevjain.com. So this is my website. So you can also look at my profile or look at coitbox.com. So thank you so much.